Do you know what? I just think we both love doing what we do. That's the number one rule of anything, is just enjoy doing it. If you don't enjoy doing it, don't do it. Number two, I think that we both wanted to make a great film and peel back the onion on the truth. It's a human story between two people, and we both wanted to present a film, especially now in our world, that, you know, love is important, trust is important, and even if you don't know somebody, you can love and trust them, you know?